How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 69 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's got a 375 horse 396 in it. It's done in its factory dark blue metallic with the dark blue interior. It's got the white side stripe. Very, very nice car. Bumper and everything looks real good on the car. I believe the front one is the original. The grill is original. It's all in real good shape. All the panel fitment's real nice on the car. Got real flat slick paint on it. Real straight down the sides. Nice show quality paint. They are the original taillight bezels, and they're all in really good shape. The rear bumper's been replaced, it's new. All the tail panel trim is new. Tell you, I really like the color on the car. Factory colors, the way it came out of the factory. Got your American Racing torque thrust 15-inch wheels. Again, this is a 375 horse 396. We did run the block numbers and head numbers and everything. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes, 12-bolt rear. Nice set of ceramic coated headers and a 3-inch dual Flowmaster exhaust all the way out the back. Very, very nice. Jams are all real nice. It's got the original door panels, front and rear. Original dash and seat covers in the rear. Fronts are new, headliner's new. It's got factory tilt wheel, factory gauge package. It's got the 12-bolt posi rear, 331 gear. Factory tach, all works. Very, very clean car. Trunk floor and everything. Trunk floor is all the original. I believe it's mostly all original body panels. They did delete the radio, and they did a pair of trio gauges there under the dash. They're more accurate than the factory ones. Tell you, for original door panels, rear seat, very, very nice. Thing fires right up. Got M21 1-seat 4-speed, all the clutch, pressure plate, everything's new. It sounds real good out the exhaust. Nice camshaft in it. It's a real nice car. Have a great day, folks.